We are going to read this beautiful poetry, The Road Not Taken. So it should be on road, and a person is going to make a choice which path to adopt, which path to take. Let's unpack the meanings and the understanding. There's a very important life lesson here, that we have to make decisions in life. We have to make choices. We can't be just living in the default mode that whatever. We have to make a choice and then be responsible for the consequences that will happen because of the choice you have made. The road not taken. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. So diverged like this. Diverged. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. So yellow means the color is yellow. It symbolizes change. Wood means forest here. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. And sorry, I could not travel both and be one traveler. Can you travel both the roads simultaneously? It's not happening. It's not possible. So you have to decide which one. And sorry, I could not travel both and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could. So I was staring, thinking. The first one I looked continuously. Looked down one as far as I could to where it bent. So the poet is trying to see where this road is going. And eventually the destination is undergrowth. Where it bent in the undergrowth. Undergrowth means a lot of bushes and other shrubs are there. Can't see the end point. Obviously can't see the end point of the road. Then took the other. Then I noticed the other one. Other road, other path. As just as fair. It's also beautiful. Almost the same kind of beauty is also there. The same kind of charm is also here. In this second road also. And having perhaps the better claim. Perhaps means maybe, I'm not sure. And having perhaps the better claim. Maybe this road is special. Claim, this road has better claim. Because it was grassy and wanted wear. Nobody is using this road, it seems. Though grassy, you understand, from grass to grassy. Because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that, the passing there had warned them really about the same. So once you start to travel, you will understand that this road is also not special. This is also another kind of road which people use. So when we make a choice, sometimes we think this path is special, this path is not special. But eventually all paths are special. People use all routes, all paths. And both that morning equally lay in leaves. No step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. And both that morning, it was morning time, and I could see the promises of both the roads. In leaves, no step had trodden black. It's a fresh road. So I think, okay, I'll give it a try. I will go in the second path. I will choose the second one because it has more promises. It is very attractive. In leaves, no step had trodden black. It's not used much. Oh, I kept the first for another day. The first road, you remember? The first one? Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. One decision leads to another decision. One choice leads to another choice. You can't come back. There's a song. There's a famous song in Bengali related to that even if you want, can you come back? Once you make a choice, then you have to follow the consequence of that choice, and then a similar kind of choice again will come. For example, you are studying this, suppose English literature, English poetry, then there is a choice that you are going to be good at this, and eventually a better career will unfold. In the same way, those who are not going to study, they will have their consequences. So once you choose, you have to bear the consequence. So I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. So I will never come back to the path 1 because that's gone. Whatever will happen in this path only, path 2. I shall be telling this with a sigh, future continuous. Shall be telling. I'll be waiting for you, right? I'll be waiting for you. Subject shall be. Shall was used at that time. Right now we use will everywhere. So I shall be telling this with a sigh. With a sigh, it can be a sigh of relief or it can be a sigh of regret. How can we know whether this is a sigh of regret or sigh of relief? We don't know. That is the mystery here. somewhere ages and ages hence. Ages and ages means after many years. Right now, I don't know. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by. So I took the path which is not very common. So I tried to choose a path which is rarely chosen by people. This is the intention here. And that has made all the difference. So whatever will happen in my life will happen after this choice, and I know I'm going to carry the consequences of this. So what is the life lesson that is hidden here? We have to choose. Nobody can say that let's see whatever. No, you have to choose. But after the choice is done, then make this journey a very successful, pleasant, happy journey, because then it's upon you that your efforts, your hard work, your sincerity will bring all the glory. So cheers to life and cheers to decision making. Take care.